This is my family. Daddy is always drinking cup of joe. Big sister is not nice. Mommy is from space. Sometimes Daddy says, "Feed Mommy," and we give Mommy gas. Daddy gets the gas from the car store with his mouth. I make sure no police guys. Mommy is growing. Daddy say we have to move underground so nobody can see Mommy. But he say all my toys will still work underground. Except no more Xbox because Joe Biden can't see the internet. That's okay. Yesterday, Mommy said her first word. Dido. We went to the car store right away. I asked Daddy, what was my first word? He said, it was Mommy. I love my family.